Before we get to the intro to this video, I would like to say I think I have my focus figured out. I think it was the lack of lighting because I wasn't standing in the light. I need to get more lighting in my garage. And somehow I always end up in my garage doing an intro or an outro. I don't know why, I just do it, so I guess that's just me. But, needless to say, I'm gonna start this off with last weekend, me and my buddy went noodling, where you throw noodles out with lines on them to catch catfish, and we caught a big one. I'll put the picture up right here. You'll be able to see it right here. Yeah, we caught a few. I was gonna record that, but I ended up not recording it because I don't know why I didn't record it, but I didn't record it. So yeah. That being said, we're gonna jump to the intro to this video, and hope you guys enjoy it. Let's do this again. I never pull my mic out. Normal. Today we're fishing a spillway. The spillway runs into a creek off of this reservoir that's out here in front of me. I have fished here a few times before in the past. I've caught some good fish out of here in the past. I have never fished at the spillway or down the creek from the spillway. So we're gonna give it a shot and see what happens. They, probably a year ago, they finally cut all this stuff down so you can get down there. It used to be real growed up down here. And there's the spillway right there. Just running off into the creek. I'm gonna strap the GoPro on and we're gonna get down to it. I gotta slide my muck boots on, boys. I do apologize for the wind noise. I haven't walked. I've been down here once, right here off of this, but it has been a while. So it's good to see the trail is still here. Dang, there's no way down. I'm gonna have to go around and down. That gum. Why is this not wanting to? Oh, there he is. That's a little sunfish. Quit flopping. Pretty little sunfish there, baby. About to move further down. Hey, come off too. Well, we're on the move now. Well, let's find our way through the maze of rocks and cut down bushes and try not to step on any snakes. Oh, I thought, what the heck is that? Oh, he spit it out. I just saw something that was weird and I don't know what it was. Oh, I didn't even see he had it. Oh my God, what is that? I see it right there. Oh, that ain't a beaver. It's a dang muskrat. And I'm hung on another rock. Nope, I'm hung on some tree limbs. There we go. Got one. Oh, I got a crappie. That's a nice little crappie. Oh yeah. This rod kind of sucks, I'm not gonna lie. I got a knot. Please don't. It's official, I hate this rod now. Okay, there we go. Dude, there's got to be a fish or two right here. Everything will hit a crappie jig. This whole creek is moving at Godspeed right now. Oh, got one. Got a little sunfish. Come on, quit. Quit flopping, dude. Ow. A little sunfish. There we go. Put the fin down. Ow. Let's go. Down you go. Alright, so I've only got my brim and crappie box today. Last week I carried my bass rod down here and it's kind of pointless. So I'm just rocking an old crappie jig. I swapped out the reel on this rod because the reel that was on there wasn't casting good. I think I had too strong of a line on it. This one's got 4-pound test on it. Oh, I got swiped. Caught a little bass. Heck yeah. He's about to come off. Heck yeah, look at that little dude. Oh man. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, look how pretty that fish is. Ow! Pretty one. It's got some scars on it. It's been through some stuff. Oh no. If you made it this far in the video, you watched the whole thing, I appreciate you. Continue to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will catch you guys on the next one.